Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today, I am so desperate to put this product on my lips right now because my lips are so chapped. This is kind of gruesome, but you know when your lips get so chapped that it feels like they're gonna cut soon? That's where I'm at right now. And typically when my lips feel this way, I reach for all of those different lip products that I have tried out on my channel that I love, that immediately moisturize my lips. But right now, I wanted to wait and try this out. So I'm like, I gotta put this on soon. I gotta stop moving my mouth so much because my lips are so chapped. But hopefully I will love this, and this can be a new product that I reach for when my lips get dry like this, and for only $1. So this is the Starry Honey Gloss that I have in the flavor Bubblegum, and this is from ShopMissA. So like I said, it only cost $1, and it comes in a bunch of different fun and fruity flavors. I'm really excited about the bubblegum flavor. This has vitamin E in it. It's also cruelty free. So let's go ahead and see how this is on my dry lips. Oh, interesting packaging here. I was expecting it to be at an angle, but it kind of is like, looks like a donut is what it's shaped like. So a little different than the typical squeezy lip gloss, but as you can see, totally clear. Let's see how it is on my lips now. It is a thick and super shiny gloss, which I love. It's really not strong scented like you would expect. Like I would almost think that this is fragrance free, if not the slightest bit of mint. If I'm like really trying to smell it, but I'm really not getting anything. But it has a slightly cooling feeling on my lips too, which is really nice, which makes me kind of feel like maybe it's mint. In this picture, it's like some green leaves. Maybe it's mint bubblegum is what it's supposed to be. Like, it really doesn't smell like anything. Oh, but it looks so good on my lips. Like dry lips who right now, like my lips look so moisturized, but also kind of plumped up. This honestly should be advertised as a lip plumper because it has that cooling feeling and it really has smoothed out my lips. The lines in my lips are way smoothed out right now, and the super high shine on this also kind of adds to that fuller lips, plumped up lips illusion. So this is amazing. The packaging on this is a little deceiving. Like it makes it not look like such a great quality product that I'm getting right here. Like I feel like there's lip plumpers, lip glosses in some pretty packaging that the formulas are nowhere near as good as this. This is so shiny and hydrating. I love it. My lips, like I can smile big and my lips do not feel dry. They don't feel like they're gonna cut or anything like that. This is seriously perfect. Exactly what I needed. And I am going to be reaching for this all the time. I am loving how my lips look and feel right now. This has high ratings on the ShopMissA website, and I totally agree. Just by looking at this in my big collection of ShopMissA makeup that I want to try out, this is not something that I would necessarily really reach for just because it doesn't look too exciting, but oh my gosh, the looks of this are so deceiving because this is like a top-notch lip gloss. Seriously, it's going, if it can stand, in my little lip gloss or lip product holder back there because I love this so much. It is going to be one that I reach for all the time. And the clear color makes it so easy to put in my pocket, throw on while I'm on the go. Don't even have to look in a mirror, but I know my lips are going to be looking so good with this on. So if you have not tried this out yet, I highly recommend, and maybe pick up a few of them. I'm loving this mint, well, bubblegum flavored, but now I'm really interested to try out the other flavors. I wonder if they also have the cooling kind of plumping effect, or if it's just this bubblegum one. So if you've tried any other ones, please let me know how they are in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.